Creating content is not just about posting frequently. It's about creating content that truly connects with your audience. Content that they find valuable, engaging, and relevant to their needs and interests. When your content resonates, it builds trust, encourages interaction, and strengthens your brand presence over time. Understand your audience deeply. Before creating content, the first and most important step is to understand who your audience really is. What do they care about? What problems are they trying to solve? What entertains or inspires them? Research your audience. Use surveys, polls, and social media insights to learn about their preferences, age, interests, and challenges. Create audience personas. Imagine typical followers and their motivations. This helps you tailor content that feels personal and relevant. Speak their language. Use words, slang, and tones that your audience relates to, whether formal, casual, humorous, or inspirational. Focus on value over promotion. People come to social media for entertainment, information, and connection, not just advertisements. To resonate, your content should focus on adding value, not just selling. Educate, share useful tips, how-to guides, or industry insights. Entertain, use humor, storytelling, or inspiring stories that connect emotionally. Inspire, share success stories, motivational quotes, or calls to positive action. Solve problems. Address common challenges your audience faces with practical solutions. When your content consistently delivers value, your audience will see you as a trusted resource, not just a brand pushing products. Tell authentic stories. People relate to stories more than facts or sales pitches. Authentic storytelling humanizes your brand and makes it memorable. Share behind-the-scenes moments. Show the real people and processes behind your brand. Feature customer stories. Highlight testimonials or user-generated content that reflects real experiences. Be honest and transparent. Admit mistakes, share lessons learned, and show your brand's journey authentically. Authenticity creates emotional connections that lead to stronger engagement and loyalty. Use visuals strategically. Visuals are powerful tools for resonance because they capture attention quickly and evoke emotions. Use high-quality images and videos. Clear, bright, and well-composed visuals perform best. Be consistent with brand colors and style. This builds recognition and a cohesive look. Add captions and text overlays. Help communicate your message even when sound is off. Include calls to action. Guide viewers on what to do next. Comment, share, visit your website. Engage with your audience. Content that resonates invites conversation. Encourage your audience to interact with your posts. Ask questions. Invite followers to share opinions or experiences. Use interactive features, polls, quizzes, and emoji sliders in stories boost engagement. Respond to comments and messages, show you value their input, and build relationships. Interaction strengthens community and increases your content's visibility through social media algorithms. Keep it simple and clear. Avoid overwhelming your audience with complicated or cluttered content. Stick to one main message per post. Yes. Simple language and clear visuals. Break longer text into small paragraphs or bullet points. Clarity helps your message land and makes your content more shareable. Experiment and learn. Social media is constantly evolving, so be open to trying new formats, topics, and styles. Track performance. Use platform analytics to see what content resonates most. Listen to feedback. Pay attention to comments and direct messages. Adjust accordingly, double down on what works, and tweak what doesn't. Learning from real data and audience reactions helps you refine your content strategy over time.